Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's videos, I'm going to show you how to replace the charging system for iPhone XX Max. The first thing you have to know, you have to get all the correct tools for iPhone. The first thing, you have to remove those two screws at the back of the phone here. When you are opening it, you have to be careful for the LCD cable. You take your time to open it slowly. This cable, you have to be careful for it. iPhone is the phone that have a lot of screw than all iPhone phone. So you have to be careful for the screw, and all the screws, they are different, they are not the same. So when you remove the screw, you have to know where do you remove it, and to make it easier for you, you have to put the screw down here to how you remove it. You understand? So that if you want to replace them back, it will be easier for you to replace them back. One, you need to remove all the screws here. Take out the LCD first. Take out the LCD first, okay? The second thing, you have to take out the motherboard. You disconnect the battery and take out the motherboard. You have to disconnect all those cable here. The camera, you have to disconnect the camera cable. Everything you have to disconnect. You have to take out the motherboard. The reason why you have to take out the motherboard, because the iPhone, the charging system, the cable, it pass under the motherboard. Under the motherboard, they pass there. So you have to take out the motherboard to fix the charging system. There's another screw here you have to remove at the top of the motherboard. Take out this cover. You put it close to the screw, so at least you remember where do you remove it. And you take out the two, there's two connectors here also at the top. You need to take it out. Top of the motherboard here, you take them out. Okay, Then you have to remove the SIM tray. Then you take out the motherboard. Be careful, you put it aside. Okay, you see the cable, it passed through the motherboard, under the motherboard, so you have to take it out here and put it like this. Down the charging system here, you have to remove all the screw here. There are so many screw here, and for you to remember where do you remove the screw, you have to replace them according to the way you remove them, so that at least when you want to fix them back, it will be easier for you to fix. All the screws is different, so you have to get all the tools for all the screws. You take out the ringer. This is the ringer. You take out the ringer and you take out the vibrating also. You have to remove them and replace them aside. There's another screw here. You have to remove all the screws. Another screw at the side, you have to remove it. After you take out those screws, you just need to ace this one up like this. This one you don't need to take it out. You leave it there because why I take out this one, the screw ace it up like this, because the charging system cable pass under it also. It pass under here, so you have to ace it up so it will be easier for you to take out the charging system cable. Then after you remove all the screw, you try to remove the charging system first. Try to push it a bit, push a little bit, shake, don't force it. Remove the mic a bit, don't force it. You take it out like this a bit. It's like the cable passed under the battery. You have to be careful also. Take it out easily like this. Okay, this is the old one. And you, to make it easier for you, you have to watch. If you don't know if it's your first time to do it, Okay, you have to watch the way they fix this one, and you fix your own so also. Okay, like you can just take out the plastic. Now I'm trying to replace the new one. You fix the charging system first. Make sure you fix correctly. Try to fix the mic. Be careful, don't force it so you don't spoil the mic. You replace all the screw you take out back, and make sure you replace them where you remove them. And make sure you replace the charging system screw first, the one at the cover down here. You have to replace that one first. This one, the down one here, you have to replace this one first. You have to be careful. Take your time. iPhone have different type of screws, so you have to make sure you have all the tools for it. After you finish fix this side, you have to fix the cable back again first. Take out this one and you take your time. Make sure you pass through under the battery. At the edge of the battery, you pass it there. USB cable, this one you have to ace it up a bit, be careful, and pass the charging system down there, just like this. Then you replace the screw you take out from here. Take this screw, don't forget to replace all the screws. Make sure you place all the screws at the right place, right position. Now you have to fix the ringer and the vibrating. There is a clip down there, you have to fix that one. That one is for the vibrating. Make sure you fix it properly. Now make sure you fix the ringer. This one is for the ringer. Fix it, connector for the ringer. Make sure you place all the screw where you take it. Now it's time to replace the motherboard. You start from the top and be careful for all this cable. Make sure you place everything properly. Make sure you place all the cable perfectly. You place all the cable perfectly before you put the screw, so it will be easier for you, the motherboard, to rest properly. Don't forget to replace these two ones down here, the smallest one here. You have to fix them. This one is from this for the sensor. It's very important. Don't forget them. After you fix them, you have to fix this cover to close it. Then you fix the camera, one cable camera, you fix it up. Always fix this cover first before you fix the last camera on top. Then you fix the charging system cable. Make sure it's rest properly. Don't fix the battery. The battery is the last one to fix. Make sure you replace all the screw properly. Then you fix the screen. The battery is the last one to fix. Don't fix it now. You replace the LCD now. After you replace the LCD, now it's time to replace the battery. Then don't forget, you have to close it. Make sure you put all the screw. Okay, it's charging now. Hi guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.